kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. Have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some chicken wings and I'm gonna make a nice ginger glaze sauce with it. Okay, so guys, my chicken wings is right here. As you can see, I'm using 1 pack of chicken wings that I wash and clean and cut. Okay, and these are all of my seasoning that I'm gonna use. First, I'm gonna start off with my complete seasoning, and that's 1 tablespoon. I also have 1 teaspoon of my onion salt, 1 teaspoon of my cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose seasoning. Okay, some garlic powder because I love using garlic powder, and that's just over 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video to someone that you know will like it. Okay, thank you all so much in advance. Stay tuned. So guys, these are all of my ingredients for my sauce. So this is Jamaican whole ginger beer. This is what I'm gonna use, but I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm gonna use at least 1 cup. Okay, but you can use whatever ginger beer you have. It doesn't really matter. I'm telling you guys, this sauce is gonna be so delicious because you see, ginger have a lot of flavor to it, and I know once everything combined together, it's gonna be super yummy. And as I said, if you don't have the old Jamaican ginger beer, you can use whichever one you have. It doesn't really matter. It's still ginger beer. And I'm also gonna add at least 2 tablespoons of honey, some wet jerk marinate. This is at least 1 tablespoon. You don't need a lot. Some ketchup, at least 1/4 cup of ketchup, and barbecue sauce, just over 1 to 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. So now I'm gonna season my chicken wings. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Then I'm just gonna mix it all in. So when it is all blend, now I'm just gonna add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil onto my chicken wings. Then I'm just gonna add my seasoning. I'm not gonna use all of my seasoning, guys. Just continue to watch the video and see exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my hands and just massage it all in. And as I always said, if you want, you can always use a gloves. Okay, but just make sure that all the seasoning is all on your chicken wings. So my chicken wings is perfectly seasoned. So now I'm just gonna put it to the side. Okay, so guys, I forgot to mention, but I'm gonna add some dark soya sauce just to give it a bit of color, at least 1 tablespoon. If you don't have dark soya, you can also use browning. Okay, just a little bit of browning. So guys, I'm gonna bake my chicken wings. You can also fry it if you want. So this is my baking tray right here, and to my baking tray I had some baking paper and I add a grill on top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1/4 cup of water, and that's just gonna allow your chicken to be super moist. Then I'm gonna take a brush and brush some of my olive oil onto my grill so the chicken doesn't stick. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my chicken wings, and I'm just gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 30 minutes and 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure that you try and space them out. So guys, in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, this is what my wings look like. As I can see, it is nice and brown, and it's a bit crispy also. Hear that? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 25 minutes, okay? Because I want the other side to brown. So guys, it is all turned over, so back in the oven it goes. So stay tuned. Now I'm gonna make my sauce. So my stove is on a low heat, okay? So now to my pot I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my butter. Just gonna allow it to melt. So now that it is all melted, guys, here I have some fresh ginger, at least just over 1 teaspoon. So I'm just gonna add it, and you're just gonna allow it to saute for at least 30 to 25 seconds, okay? So now that it is all sauté, I'm gonna add my ginger beer. I'm gonna add my dark soya, at least 2 teaspoons. Then I'm gonna add my ketchup. Gonna give it a stir. Make sure that everything is all combined. My barbecue sauce. The sauce is looking good, guys. My honey. My wet jerk seasoning. Add my remaining seasoning and some ginger powder, at least ½ teaspoon of my ginger powder. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm gonna leave it to simmer for at least 6 to 7 minutes, okay? Because I want it to become very thick. So guys, my sauce is ready, good to go. Nice and thick it up. A bit runny as well, because I don't want it to be super thick, okay? So I'm just gonna turn my stove off. So guys, my chicken wings is perfectly brown on both sides. Look at that. Super yummy. And it is so nice and crispy. So now I'm just gonna dip them in my sauce, so stay tuned. They came out perfect. I have my sauce and my chicken wings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dip my chicken wings in my sauce, just like so. You can add more than one. And I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for at least 5 minutes, okay? Because you want all that sauce to stick on your chicken wings. I mean, you don't have to add it back to your oven, but I want to add it back. It's all up to you, okay? It looks so good, guys. Absolutely delicious. Your families, your friends, everyone is gonna enjoy this recipe, and it's super easy, super easy. So now that I add all my chicken wings, I'm just gonna toss it. Gonna add it back to my tray. I said for 5 minutes.
Come in at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it.
So guys, finally my chicken wings is finally finished, and guys, I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It looks super delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. As you can see, the sauce is all stick on the wings, and that's exactly what you want. Just perfect. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I'll really appreciate it. It is all plated up, as you can all see. I'm gonna just add some sauce that leave back, okay? Super yummy.
Jody cooking straight from the kitchen.
I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you guys. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. Much love.